Hello, everybody. Hello, good afternoon to all of you here in the US. And I know it's early in the morning in there in the Philippines, right? So 3 a.m. in the Philippines. So guys, nandito na tayo sa Cardiac. Sus, take advantage ko talaga yung weather. Guys, look at my outfit, guys. See? Sus, I wear with this because it's too hot today. It's warm day, but I don't want that not to bring this because we don't know that if have wind, and wind blows, so it's very cold, guys. So for now, guys, look at me, guys. We're here now at Cardiac County Park. So halika na kayo, guys, samahan niyo akong pupunta tayo sa Cardiac Park. So ito na pala yung Cardiac Park, guys. So let's go. Okay. Walking ako ng solo, ayan. Okay. So, ayan, punta na tayo ng Cardiac Park, guys. Minto na tayo sport. Woo! Sus, ayan, guys. Ang kita na natin yung mga trees here, guys. Wow, this is the lake in Cardiac Park. Guys, as you can see that, it's really nice, right? Wow, so lakad lang tayo ng lakad, guys. Ayan. Ayan, guys, samahan nyo akong maglalakad tayo dito sa Cardiac Park. So nandito na tayo sa Cardiac Park, guys. Very nice, right? So guys, look at, guys. This is a lake, guys. Look at. So ayan. Ayan, lakad-lakad tayo ng lakad dito, guys. We're gonna walk here. Yes, so nice the weather, right? So very, very, very nice. Before, guys, when I walk here with my partner together, we walk here, but the trees, it's so dead, and then looks like very dead. But now, oh my God, it's just very alive. Yes, so nice to walk here, guys. It's so nice to run here, guys, Sus, I like to run here, guys. Later, I need to walk and I need to run. Yes. Yeah, but gusto ko talagang ipakita sa inyo, guys, kung gaano ka nice ang Cardiac Park, guys. Sus, ayan. Whew, very, very, very nice. Wow. Makasana all talaga tayo dito sa kanilang guys, lugar, guys. Ayan. Napakaganda talaga. Ayan. Meron diyang sanctuary, guys. Bird sanctuary, yeah. There. Ayan. Ang galing dito. Ang ganda. Maganda talaga, guys. Sus, meron sila ritong guys. Pwede kang paupo-upo dyan. Ayan. Sus, dami ng mga kids, guys, nung play-play na, guys. Kasi, we take advantage for the warm, the nice weather today. Sus, summer na, guys. Summer. Sus, nandito na ako sa summer, guys. Yeah, very perfect, guys. Oh my God. Oh, see? Sus, paupo-upo tayo dyan, guys. Pwede tayo umupo dyan, guys. Kung gusto natin, guys, dyan. Upo tayo dyan. Ayan, tapos, dala ka ng barbecue, guys. Pwede tayo mag-barbecue dyan. Ayan, dito. Ayan. Ayan. Pwede kang mag-ano dyan, guys. Mag-uupo, guys. Ayan, diba? Pwede kang umupo-upo dyan. O, tingnan nyo, mayroong dyan, mga bata, mayroong bata. Tapos, dyan, guys, yan, kung may mga, gusto magpakasal, guys, dito, yan, guys, pwede kang dito, guys. Dito natin guys, yan. Dyan, guys, pwede kayong dyan, guys. Yung gusto mong mag-wedding dito, guys, pwede, guys. Pwede talaga, guys, dyan. Yan. Ganda kaya dito, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Diba? Ang ganda kaya sa Cardiac Park, guys. So, malapit lang talaga kami dito, guys. Ang lapit ko lang talaga dito. Nasa back lang talaga to ng bahay namin. Yan. Yan. Ganda, diba? Maganda talaga, guys. Diba? So, pwede ka palang dito. Yan, upo-upo tayo dito. Dito, paupo-upo tayo dyan. Tapos, mag-grill tayo dito. Ayan. Diba? Wow. So, pwede tayo. Ang dami dito. Ang dami ditong bench, guys. Mag-grill. Ang dami talaga. Side by side. Ayan. Free talaga to, guys. Ayan. Tapos, ang laki pang ng lake, guys. Tapos, pwede tayong mag-upo dyan. Pwede tayong sit here and then Sus, picnic guys. Pag may time guys. Ayan. Very nice here. Sus, my God. Kasi na all talaga tayo dito guys. So nice. So very nice looking. Good, you know guys.